Good evening, guys. Shashank here. So we'll be analyzing Nifty, Bank Nifty, and we'll be looking at a few stocks as well, which you can trade in this week and coming weeks as well. So Nifty today had formed a head and shoulder pattern in the beginning of the day. So after forming the head and shoulder pattern, it also broke the neckline. After the neckline was broken, we successfully achieved the target as well. Our target was the high to low of the head and shoulder, and the high to low of the head and shoulder was achieved comfortably in this session. So after that, throughout the day, Nifty was in a bearish trend, tried to recover a few times, which was not successful, and we got another chart pattern here. We got an M pattern, and M pattern's neckline was broken as well. So after the M pattern's neckline was broken, our target there also was achieved successfully. So we got a 124 point trade and a 60 point trade in today's market in this bearish trend. So this is Nifty's chart for today. So how we'll be looking at Nifty's chart for tomorrow. So our main support comes at 17,800 levels. Our main support is at 17,800 levels. If the market is breaking that level, we can take up bearish trades for tomorrow. So we have to expect a 15-minute candle closing below 16,800. So which will lead into more bearishness in the market. So if the market has to get bullish, market has to start forming higher highs in tomorrow's session. So higher highs, it has to form higher highs in order to become bullish in the market. And we'll get a clear bullishness after market is closing above 17,315. So until then, it will be a range bound market. Either it has to break 16,800 or 17,300 in order to get direction in the market. So we'll look at Bank Nifty as well. So in Bank Nifty, in the beginning of the day, there was a huge fall. Then it consolidated for a while. It consolidated for a while and then broke that consolidation too, which led us to a bearish trend as well here in Bank Nifty. So in Bank Nifty, our crucial support would be around 37,500 levels will be our crucial support, and we'll be looking at bullish trades above 38,900. Above 38,900 we have to expect a 15-minute green candle closing, and below 37,500 we have to expect a 15-minute red candle closing in order to find direction in the market. So this is for Bank Nifty, and we'll look at a couple of stocks which we can be trading throughout the week. So granules is looking very good for us. Our short-term target for granules will be 410. So granules is yet to give a breakout. We need to have a confirmation of a green candle closing above 360 levels in order to trade in granules, and our short-term target will be 410. So this is granules, and we'll have a look at another stock, which is Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel, our target will be a big one. We'll have a big target till 972. If you have a investing mindset, you can go along with this stock. So we have already got a closing, and the market has successfully sustained above the breakout levels. So we'll have to look at the further days. If the market stays bullish, the stock will outperform. So or has chances of outperforming in the market. So these are the stocks, and this is how the charts of Nifty and Bank Nifty are looking. Thank you, guys.